Hey, welcome to Crochet with Lady. Today we'll be doing a very simple and quick crochet heart. It can be done in under 2 minutes once you get the hang of it, and I'll be going nice and slowly today, so it's very beginner friendly. For this project you need a 4mm crochet hook and a corresponding type 4 size yarn. Today I'll be using this pink one here. So to begin, I'll just show you how I like to wrap the yarn around my hands to get the best tension. So first I wrap it around my wrist, and then I weave it in between my fingers here, as so, and then that is how I find I get the best tension, and it's the way that I like to do it. So now we'll do the magic ring, and so to do this you will take the tail end of the yarn, you will wrap it in a circle underneath, and then once you have this circle you can hold it steady so that you can get the grip right. I'm just readjusting that. So you can hold it, and then you will be inserting your hook like so. You'll hook it underneath the yarn, put it through, and then you'll be starting the heart. So you will do 2 chain stitches, so it looks like this. You hook it under, you put it through, and that is 1 chain stitch. You hook it under and you put it through again, and then that's the 2nd chain stitch. Next we'll be doing what's called a triple crochet, and we'll be doing 3 of these. So we wrap the yarn around twice, kind of hold it steady, loop it into that circle that we just made, the magic ring, and then we'll put it through once, and then we will then hook the hook underneath the yarn, and then pull that loop through the first 2 loops, hook it under again, then put it through the next 2, hook it under again, then put it through the final 2 loops, and that's your first triple crochet. So I'm going nice and slow for any beginners, anyone who hasn't done this stitch. So again, we'll loop it around twice, hook it through underneath, and then we'll pull through once, hook it under, pull through the 2nd time, then hook it under, then pull through the 3rd time, and then that will be the 2nd triple crochet stitch. And now we'll do the 3rd triple crochet stitch here. Next we'll move on to double crochets. So to do this you hook the hook under the yarn, put it into the middle of the circle, hook it under the yarn again, put it through, hook it under, pull it through the first 2 loops, and then hook it under and pull it through the last 2 loops. So that's a double crochet. I'll do it again nice and slowly. Hook it under, and then put it into the magic circle, pull it through, hook it under, put it through the first 2 loops, hook it under and put it through the next 2 loops, and then we're doing this a total of 3 times. So one more time, hook it under, put it through, hook it under, put it through the first 2, hook it under, put it through the last 2. Now we'll be doing 1 chain stitch. So to do this you hook it under and then pull it through all the way, and that's 1 chain. We'll follow this by 1 triple crochet, so loop around into the centre of the circle, pull it through the first 2 loops, put it through the next 2, put it through the final 1, and then we'll follow this by 1 chain stitch as before, loop under and put it through that 1 loop there. Next we want to do 3 double crochets as before, so I'll do this nice and slowly, as you can see, and now we'll go into the 2nd one. Hopefully this is nice and clear. And finally we'll do that 3rd double crochet. And now we do the triple crochet 3 times again. So we'll do it nice and slowly there, so it should be very clear. So after tightening the magic circle a little bit, we'll then do 2 chain stitches. I'm just checking there that I've done enough of all the other double and triple crochets. So do 2 chain stitches, so just putting it through, and then we'll do a slip stitch into the magic ring. So to do this, you put it through the middle, hook it under, put it through, and then you just hook it straight through there, and then you pull a bit of the tail, and then we're going to pull the magic ring closed. So just starting to put it there, and then you'll see me turn it round and really get it tight so that it's nice and secure. And the circle is completely closed up, so as you can see, that's nice and secure there. And then I can cut off the end there, so it has a little bit of a tail. So I'm just showing it to you there. And then I'm just measuring so that it's the same length as the magic circle tail, and then I'll trim that. So now you'll see me just do a double knot to fully secure and get that heart shape nice. You can weave in the ends now. It depends what sort of projects you're doing. So sometimes you might want to leave those loose if you want to use it as a little tie, as you will see me do at a later stage. So there's the very sweet little heart there, very cute, very easy, very quick. Once you get the hang of it, you can really do a lot with them. They're very versatile. So you'll see me here tie it, I didn't have anything else to tie it around, so I'll just tie it around my crochet hook, and then you'll see me do a little bow. I like to use these for packaging any crochet items that I've sold, and I think it's a really nice touch to the packaging, and they're very nice, and once you do a batch of them, they're very quick. Here's another example of where I've used a crochet heart. So this is the end of a crochet bookmark, a B1, a candy cane B, and also I used the heart shape for the wings. So that was another one I did, and also another bookmark. We have a tea bag bookmark. Soon there'll be a tutorial up for this, and also a tutorial up for the bee. And so that's the end of the tutorial. Hope you enjoyed, hope it was easy to follow, and please like, comment and subscribe so that I can continue to make some more videos. And here they all are lined up, and I hope that you're able to crochet along with me.